How do you cancel an Amazon Prime subscription? We are on the home page of the app, but in the bottom right hand corner down here, can you see this stack of pancakes? That opens up this menu of buttons, and we're going to scroll all the way down to here, down to your stuff. And that opens another menu, list of items. So we'll click on this. We're going to scroll down to the sub menu of account settings. And can you see here it says Prime membership? I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on manage membership, and that opens up these options down here. Can you see there's another label for manage membership? I'll click on that one. And we have two options. I can either share my benefits with other people in the household, or the button I want is right here, end membership. And right here, we'd hate for you to miss out on your unlimited premium delivery. I don't want to use my benefits today. I want to not keep membership. I'm going to continue to cancel. Please confirm your Prime membership cancellation. I'll just scroll down to see these terms and conditions, and there we go. I think we've done this. The sun's gone in, everything's gone dark. It tells me all of the things that I'm going to miss out on now from cancelling Amazon Prime, and there is a button here to continue my membership, but it looks as if we have successfully cancelled our Amazon Prime membership. Thank you so much for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button if this helps you.